Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Last summer, I got a Sportfisher 5 horsepower motor. And this cover is what goes along with the Sportfisher. It's got some problems. I think it was left out in the sunlight too long, and this front piece has gotten brittle. And some of it is broken. So I need to glue this back together again and then put some reinforcement on it. So the first thing I'm going to do is glue it back together. Monday's going to be the 1st of March. That means that summer, although it's not here yet, is going to be along fairly quickly. I'm using this packing tape as reinforcement for the back side so that I can hold the two pieces together while the super glue binds it. I want to do that before this last little bit of hinge breaks and removes the alignment that I need to keep this thing working the way it should be. A little tape to hold it in place on the table. Then some super glue followed by epoxy. I just remembered something. I watched a video with Stephen Cox, and he did something with some magic powder. I'm going to try it. And a little bit of the secret stuff. There. That sets up the super glue immediately and acts as a filler. There. I can set up overnight, and in the morning I'm going to heat that and see if I can get that to pop out. If I can't, I might have to do some gluing on it. This decal is pretty much toast. That'll have to come off. And this broken bit here, when I heat this, I'll see if I can heat that up and bring that back up too. Put some fiberglass and some epoxy along the back side of this to help reinforce it. Ah, got a little crack there too. Now, why am I working on this early in March? Well, because summer is coming, and also because I was able to get this at Walmart. So I can hook up the hose, put some gas in this outboard, and see if I can get it to fire off. I got spark in it last fall. Now it just needs to get the carb cleaned, get some gas in it, and get it rolling. Stephen Cox, great idea. Saved me a lot of trouble. Oh, and the cops don't care if I know this trick. It's all part of the process of keeping things running around here at Old Sneelock's workshop. You got to work on them when you got time, and you try and get it done before you need them. This Sportfisher is going to make the little red boat a whole lot more fun to ride around in. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.